Welcome back, I'm Joshua Barnes and you're watching NewsX World. Let's first take a look at our top stories. Blasts have been reported in Gaza after Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu says Israel will take full military control of the enclave, proposing an eventual handover to non-Hamas Arab governance. Officials do warn, though, it could endanger hostage safety. US envoy Tom Barrack has hailed the historic move from Lebanon to look to disarm Hezbollah by the end of the year. Meanwhile, Israel has launched an airstrike in eastern Lebanon, killing at least 5 and wounding 10 others, despite a ceasefire since last November. China's foreign ministry has publicly supported India over a steep US tariff increase over New Delhi's continued purchase of Russian oil. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Guo says China's opposition to abuse of tariffs is consistent and clear. President Trump says a future meeting with Vladimir Putin would not be contingent on Putin first meeting Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. The Kremlin signaled the meeting could take place in the UAE, though final logistics remain under discussion. The US has raised its reward for information leading to the arrest of Venezuelan President Maduro to $50 million amid renewed drug trafficking and cartel allegations. The move reflects heightened enforcement and follows prior incremental increases earlier this year. In response to steep 50% US tariffs on Indian and Brazilian goods, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Brazilian President Lula da Silva held a phone call reaffirming their strategic partnership. Lula confirmed a state visit to India in early 2026 amid talks to expand trade, tech and energy ties. Switzerland's Federal Council has held an emergency meeting after US tariffs on Swiss goods soared to 39%, the highest on any developed nation. The Swiss president affirmed willingness to negotiate, but underscored not at any price. And President Trump has signed a memorandum requiring colleges and universities to submit detailed admissions data, including race, GPA and test scores. This to confirm compliance with the Supreme Court's affirmative action ruling. Institutions may face federal aid penalties for non-compliance. But we start this hour in the Middle East.